Okay, what's up, everybody? Happy Flip and Hold Funding Realty Solutions Friday, possibly. This is Chris Gallo, Flip and Hold Funding Realty and Solutions. Today, we're going to be taking a little bit of a deeper dive into passive investing and why passive investing with Flip and Hold's real estate loan fund is a smart move. Okay, so a lot of talk about passive investing out there versus active investing. And just to back up for a quick second, assuming people know the difference, but just in case, active investing in real estate is simply buying a fix and flip project. You buy it, you fix it, you flip it or resell it, or buying a buy, fix, and hold project. You buy it, you fix it up, you stabilize it, you put tenants in there. You then, kick out the bad tenants, put in the good tenants, and then you would hold that into your portfolio, both utilizing Flip and Hold's cash or our money. That's active investing, right? There's another way to invest, though, and we've done a pretty good job of working with our current investor pool in doing this, is passive investing. So we have a lot of people, very successful people, started out being friends, family, just people that we've met in the industry since we bought our first house in 2001 or 2, I believe, who, kind of saw what we were doing, liked the way we go to market. They liked the brand. They liked our work ethic. Thought that they wanted to do business with us, but didn't really want to get involved with the active investing. They didn't like, I call it the 3 T's, the tenants, toilets, and trash aspect of real estate investing. So they became passive investors. And essentially, what that means is they would give us money. They would invest money into our loan fund. And then we would then take that money, provide them a double-digit return paid every month, regardless whether their money was invested in a loan or on the sidelines waiting for a loan. And then we would invest that money, like I just said, into our first position real estate loans. And then we would make the spread or the difference between what we pay the double-digit return for the investor and then what we loan the money out to for our borrowers. So passive investing it's become a trillion-dollar industry. So, back in the day, people, I remember one of my investors, she said to me, my accountant can't believe the returns you're providing us. But she also, is very wary about this whole passive investing thing. Well, I chuckle because it's a trillion-dollar industry, and that, even the big wealth management companies now are constantly recommending that their clients, whether through them or through someone like us, invest passively in hard assets, one of them being real estate. So it's a proven thing. A lot of people are doing it. A lot of people are making very big money for it. We're going to dive into it right now. I just wanted to give you a quick opening summary of it. Enjoy.